Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to disable auto updates for a certain apps in Play Store. You know how sometimes you wake up and an app updated overnight, but the new version is dedicatedly worse than before. Some developers are notorious for this. Other apps push updates every few days, and that can get really annoying. Fortunately, the Play Store allows you to disable auto updates for certain apps. Go to the certain app which you want to disable auto updates. In that case, if it is Facebook, then search Facebook and tap on it. It will open the Facebook app interface. Here you will find the three dot at the top right corner. Tap on three dot and you will find the third option, enable auto update, which is green. Tap on the green mark and you will find the auto update has been disabled. Now Facebook will not automatically update overnight. By this way you can enable or disable auto update. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.